Hi, I'm Dan Salzberg with Big Brand Water Filter. In this video I'm going to introduce you to some of our new carbon filters. Off to this side here we have our TOC Plus, and this is a taste, odor, and color carbon block. This is a coal-based carbon, which is generally the best type of carbon to use for taste, odor, and color. And taste, odor, and color are generally caused by decaying plant and animal matter that have gone into the water stream, whether it's a city water supply or your well water. And when those leaves and plant matter decay, sometimes you get a yellowish brown tint to the water. Sometimes it might not be that noticeable, but you smell it. Those are sometimes called tannins and humic and fulvic acids, and that's what this filter is going to excel most at. And this filter is a 10 micron nominal, 34,000 gallons of chlorine reduction at 7 gallons a minute, and the pressure loss is 4 psi at 3 gallons a minute. People often ask what the maximum flow rate of our filters is, and that's a dynamic situation where the higher you try and flow, the greater the pressure loss. So we'll move to our second filter here, and this is the VOC Max. Now this is a coconut shell based carbon, 5 micron nominal filtration, and this is going to be best for VOCs, which is volatile organic chemicals, and then also things like chlorine. This filter is rated for 55,000 gallons of chlorine reduction at 7 gallons a minute, and also has a 4 psi loss at 3 gallons a minute. Now, this brings up a good point. People often ask, how often should I change my filters? And with any of these types of filters, when we give this chlorine reduction capacity, these are tested in laboratory conditions where we have pure water spiked with chlorine. When you have chemicals, taste, odor, color, and other constituents in your water, those are all going to accelerate the loading up of the carbon media. And sometimes what happens is the filter might be removing 98 or 99% of the media when it's new, but as it ages, it falls to 95%, 90, 80%. So you have to make some sort of determination as to when you want to change it. You might not want to fully exhaust the filter. And then the last filter here is our high flow radial carbon. Now this filter is designed with high flow rate specifically in mind. We get into applications on a whole house where people might have custom showers with multiple body sprays or other applications that need a lot of water, and that's what this is really going to excel at. So when we look at the flow rates on this one, this is only a 3 psi loss at 7 gallons a minute, and this filter is rated for 45,000 gallons of chlorine reduction at 7 gallons a minute. Now we can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but there's tiny little black carbon specks on the outside of this filter. That's totally normal. That sort of thing happens when you're manufacturing in a carbon plant. We call these our green carbon blocks because these are manufactured in a facility that recovers the carbon dioxide during manufacturing. These are 20-inch Big Blue. They'll soon be available also in 10-inch Big Blue, 10-inch Slim, and 20-inch Slim lengths for other applications. So next time you need filters for your whole house, make sure you consider our new carbon line from Big Brand Water Filter.